guys, so today we're going to be talking about the whole videoing thing at Jamaica. Like, I'm so sick and tired of seeing all these videos. Whether somebody get chopped up, when somebody get dead, when somebody get shot, when somebody look daughter dead, then take picture or video. Like, it's getting out of control and out of hand now. I'm tired of it. I'm tired to see it on Facebook and all over social media. So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions on this topic, please keep on watching your girl. So, recently on Facebook, I've been seeing this huge waves of video. The one that said, oh, a Beenie Man brother or whatever, they did. And they shot Beenie Man brother. But I don't know if it's a real story, I don't know if it's a fake story, so you can't ask me. That was the title of the video. And everybody did it, and the guy is literally gasping for his last breath. And people are literally there standing and watching this guy dying in front of them. And they're standing there with their cell phones. Videoing this guy talking about, oh, dead, Jesus Christ in the dead, look, they turn over, God Almighty, God. Really? Are you serious? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Like, really? Somebody is on the floor, shot, dying, and your first instinct is to take out your phone and video it and then say, oh, he's dying. Jesus Christ in the dead. Like, really? What happened to my Jamaican people when somebody get robbed, shot, house the burned down, whatever the case may be, whatever tragic event is happening, they run out of their house half naked and try help and try get the person to a hospital, to a doctor, try open house, try call the police, try call the ambulance, try call the fire brigade, the fire truck or fire brigade. Try helping people, like honestly helping people. Like, what happened to our people? What happened to us? We're so obsessed and infatuated with videoing and with social media and with viral videos that we're forgetting that we're human beings and stuff happens. And when stuff happens to us, we need help. Not stand there and video it and watch people die in front of your eyes and then you post it on Facebook and post it on Instagram and post it on Twitter so you can get likes and shares and all these things. Like, it's not even about that. Somebody is literally standing there, laying there, dying, and your first instinct is to video. Like, I don't get it. I do not get it at all. And quite honestly and quite frankly, I feel like it needs to stop. And in that same video, let me show you how Jamaican people stay. And I'm not trying to bash Jamaican people because I'm Jamaican and we can't tell you what's wrong and what needs fixing, because obviously nobody not tell you no. So let me tell you no. In that video, when somebody said, oh, a Beenie Man brother, that everybody run like a 10 Batman gun and help him. But before somebody said that on that video, nobody cared. Everybody stood there and watch him die. Would watch him die, basically. Until a person said, oh, a Beenie Man brother. Everybody take foot in the hand and go and help and call this. Somebody, yo, put him in the van. Hurry up, man. So basically what that is showing me is that if they never say a Beenie Man brother, then nobody wouldn't kiss business. Nobody wouldn't care about if he dead or alive or whatever happened to him. Which basically sucks for us as people and as individuals, because basically that same to me, if you're not attached to some big name artist or some celebrity or somebody that's well known, then nobody not have business with you if you're in need. And that is so wrong. Like, that is so wrong on so many levels. Like, we as Jamaican people need to get back to our old days when we used to run out and help everybody, and everybody that's in need, we try to help them as best that we can. And don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of people in Jamaica that's like that, but majority of what I've seen on social media and see over time, like we're gone low, like very low basically. So comment in the comment section and tell me guys what you think about this whole videoing phenomenon that has been taking over Jamaica. Like everybody want video, everybody want video, everybody want a viral video. Even if somebody is dead in front of them face, they want a viral video, which is so wrong. But comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think about this topic. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuce.